and your family. We are so excited to have you here and to be able to host this important ceremony. You didn't come here to hear me speak. Let's go ahead and get you sworn in as brand new citizens. We have the privilege of having someone from the Immigration Services here with us.
Good morning, Officer. Good morning, Officer Morse. May it please the court, Your Honor?
Please proceed.
This morning I would like to introduce 30 applicants for United States citizenship. These applicants come from 21 different countries. They have met the formal requirements imposed by law for United States citizenship. Upon taking the oath of allegiance, each will have the rights, the privileges, and the responsibilities of United States citizenship. And this, Your Honor, is our class of applicants for this morning. At this time, the government moves that the oath of allegiance be administered to the prospective citizens of the United States and that all petitions for change of name be granted.
I am pleased to grant your motion. Thank you, and Ms. Bax will help us with the oath.
All applicants, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I do hereby declare upon oath that I absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state or sovereignty, of whom or which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and the laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by law, that I will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States when required by law, that I will perform work of national importance under civilian direction when required by law, and that I take this obligation freely without mental reservation or purpose of evasion, so help me God.
Congratulations. So having served in the Army, I love a guy in uniform. We've got a sergeant back here who's currently serving. Do you have somebody special you're here supporting? Which one is she? Makes the whole ceremony that much better. Thank you for your service, sir. It is my great pleasure to welcome you to citizenship in the best country in the world. Naturalization ceremonies are beloved by the judges in the Western District of Missouri, and we are so honored that our staff, Ms. Bax, and other folks here who have been helping out, and we love that we get to partner with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. They both work to make these occasions run efficiently and smoothly. Please join me in thanking the staffs of these two agencies. The United States is a land of but one people, gathered from many countries. Just a brief word about your obligation to your national heritage. While your adopted homeland demands and deserves your complete allegiance, which you have just sworn, you are fortunate to have and should have concern about the land and the people of your birth. And in making you one of us, we Americans do not expect you to abandon the rich heritage from which each of you have come. You must nurse these memories and teach them to your children. Enjoy your ethnic and national communities, all the time, using them as building blocks for a better and more productive life in this new homeland of yours. America has its problems, but with your help, we can address those problems and continue to improve as a nation. Our Constitution, which was signed in 1787, set forth the importance of two boxes, the ballot box and the jury box. If you want to see change in our government, vote. In your materials is a voter registration card. You got everything you need right now to fill it out. In America, we hope we can resolve our disputes peacefully. Guilt or innocence is not decided by a judge, but by you, our newest citizens, as jurors. If called upon to serve on a jury, we hope you come. Your diversity of experiences will make our judicial system stronger. In closing, I wish for you all the good things in life. This is a thrilling moment for me and the entire court family and your family. Please join with me in closing this proceeding with the Pledge of Allegiance to our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. As Ms. Diaz said, we don't do pictures inside the courthouse. I'd love to take a picture with you outside the courthouse. I'm going to sneak out there to the steps, and if you want to sneak up, somebody can take a picture of us. I'd love to congratulate you on being our newest citizens. Again, on behalf of the entire court, congratulations. We're glad you're here.